For Houston homeowners looking to boost property value, comfort, and curb appeal, upgrading to new patio doors is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. While kitchen remodels and flooring upgrades often get the most attention, patio door replacement delivers a surprising return on investment, both financially and in everyday livability. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or want to enhance your home for years to come, new patio doors offer benefits that Houston buyers genuinely care about. Enhanced curb appeal and modern aesthetics. First impressions matter, especially in Houston's competitive real estate market. New patio doors instantly refresh the look of your home, inside and out. Modern patio doors feature sleek frames, expansive glass, and clean lines that make any space feel more open and inviting. Whether you choose sliding, French, or folding patio doors, the visual impact is immediate. Prospective buyers notice upgrades that make the home feel newer and more stylish. Beautiful patio doors create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces, a must-have feature in a city where backyard entertaining is a way of life. A modern, attractive patio entry can help your home stand out from similar listings in your neighborhood. Improved energy efficiency for Houston's climate. Houston's hot, humid climate and long cooling seasons make energy-efficient home upgrades especially valuable. New patio doors with insulated frames, low-E glass, and improved weather stripping significantly reduce heat transfer, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, lowering monthly utility bills, something every homeowner appreciates. Energy-efficient patio doors are a strong selling point because buyers want homes that are comfortable and affordable to maintain. When you upgrade to high-performance doors, you increase your home's overall energy efficiency rating. For many buyers, this upgrade signals that the home is well cared for and equipped to handle Houston's extreme summer temperatures. Better security and peace of mind. Home safety is a top priority for families throughout Houston, and new patio doors provide a meaningful upgrade in security. Older doors often have worn tracks, outdated locks, and fragile glass. Modern patio doors, on the other hand, come equipped with advanced multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant or tempered glass, and reinforced frames. These enhanced features give potential buyers confidence in the home's security. They also add peace of mind for current homeowners, particularly in areas where tropical storms or high winds can pose risks. A patio door that is strong, durable, and secure improves the overall value and safety of your home. Increased natural light and indoor comfort. Buyers love bright, airy interiors, and new patio doors can dramatically transform the feel of your home. Upgrading to larger glass panels or doors with slimmer frames allows more sunlight to fill the room, making spaces appear bigger and more welcoming. Natural light is one of the most requested features among homebuyers, and it's an upgrade that provides daily benefits for your family as well. In Houston's warm climate, natural lighting combined with energy-efficient glass creates the perfect balance: bright rooms without added heat. This improvement enhances the overall ambiance of your home and makes your interior spaces look more high-end. A higher resale value and stronger buyer appeal. Adding new patio doors offers a strong return on investment, often increasing your property value more than many other exterior upgrades. Because patio doors impact aesthetics, comfort, efficiency, and security, they resonate with a wide range of buyers. For homeowners preparing to sell, a patio door replacement can make the home more appealing during showings and help justify a higher asking price. In a market like Houston, where outdoor living, energy efficiency, and modern design are highly valued, an upgrade like this can be a major selling advantage.